Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's Home. So today is going to be meal plan along with my grocery haul, and I hope you guys enjoy. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button because I'd love to have you part of Heidi's Home. So this year, if you've been watching me, you know I bought this meal planner, and it has honestly saved my life because I can't remember anything. So as you can see over here, I already have bleach and salt written down because I realized, hey, I'm out of bleach and salt. I need to put that down. And so every time I think of something I'm out, this comes handy. And then when I'm on my way to the store, I just take my phone, take a picture of my list. I don't even have to rewrite it. I just take a picture of my list and I have it when I go to Walmart or Aldi or Target or wherever I need to go to get those items. So I just wanted to quickly go over what we are planning to eat. I will tell you that sometimes the meals will shift to different days. And you know, that's just kind of the way that it happens. Now, today's Monday. When we went out to the store, we always get snacky bits when we go to the store and we eat that. And it holds us over because we had a really big breakfast this morning. So we don't have anything planned. If we do anything, it'll be popcorn or cheese and crackers or something like that. But meal-wise, starting Tuesday, we will be having Spam and eggs. I know, don't send me hate mail on the Spam. We like it. I like to slice it really thin, and I like it fried really crispy. And I like it with eggs on toast with cheese, and my husband loves it. I love it too. And then you're probably like, man, that's a really fattening day. Yeah, it is. But we have a meeting, so that's why we probably won't be getting home till maybe 4 o'clock. So the Spam and eggs will hold us over till probably 7 o'clock, and we're just going to have a simple hot dog. Tomorrow or Wednesday, we're going to have the barbecue chicken legs and a side. Salmon patties are planned for Thursday. Friday night, we have been making a pizza movie night. We did last week, so we more than likely will do it again this week because we enjoyed that. It was easy. I have the pizza already ready in my freezer. And then we're going to do Mexican night. My brain is just not working yet. So Mexican night, so it'll be tacos and salsa and chips, that kind of thing. And then Sunday, I just told him, I said, you know what? I'll fix a really good Sunday dinner. So we'll have pork chops and gravy, mashed potatoes, that kind of thing. And it just sounds so, so good, right? So that is this week's meal plan. Now, I did put on my grocery list a lot more items than this because, you know, I try to have extras because what if I can't go to the store right away for some reason? What if I get a cold or I'm sick or something like that? So I stay pretty stocked in here with meals, and I've got quick and easy meals just in case, you know. And that way we have stuff on hand. So yeah, we stay pretty stocked up. I try to think ahead on things. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video and enjoy seeing what I buy at Aldi. Just got home from Aldi, and I'm going to share with you guys what I bought. It was a little over $170. If you guys remember when I went to Walmart, this table was not full like this, and I spent about the same.
But I'm telling you what, it was sure good today. I'm telling you what, we came home with a good load of food.
Yeah, Ronnie and I, we carried all of this on the bus and off the bus, and I think we had 6 bags that are great big. You've seen my cooler bags. I'll show them to you here in a second. They are a godsend to anybody who rides the bus, and it makes it easier to get on and off. But when I went shopping at Walmart, I did not come home with this amount of food. So I feel like I did really, really well. So let's start here. I got a box of shells and cheese. Got some animal crackers. I got some cheese. These are the Cheez-Its. It's their brand, but this is the family size. It's huge. Also got, this is my favorite candy, is the Mambo. I got 3 of those, actually 4, and I ate one.
It's like a coconut starburst.
Yeah, it's really good. Got him some extra butter popcorn. These are their brand of the Kraft American sliced cheese. And we also got some cottage cheese, 2 things of sour cream, a thing of milk, 3 things of pork sausage. Then I also bought a extra pack of hot dogs. And let's see, we'll go this direction. We've got some taco seasoning, and I stocked up on these, so it's taco seasoning and brown gravy. I just put it in my box so that I have them on hand when I need them. 2 things of the pure olive oil. A lot cheaper at Aldi than at Walmart, so that's why I buy it there. A thing of walnuts. Also got these turkey, what do they call them? Snack sticks. These are turkey. You can see them there in the package. They're like a Slim Jim, but actually I like them a lot better. And Ronnie and I ate a package of these while waiting for the bus.
And a package of hot pepper cheese.
Yeah, we had hot pepper cheese to go with it. We also got 2 Snicker bars and a thing of flour tortillas. Got 2 things of Pop-Tarts. Got the strawberry and the brown sugar cinnamon. They didn't have the blueberry, honey.
Oh, that cinnamon sounds
Yeah,
good.
it's real good. We got some bananas, and we got a lot of canned food, so you guys will see a lot. We've got some potatoes. We got 2 potatoes, 2 corn, 2 peas, 2 green beans, and a diced tomato. So you guys know what canned food we got, and this is what pretty much all of it looks like. It's their brand. Got a salsa. Got my honey some ranch dressing. This is the Hidden Valley.
Oh, yeah.
Got some peaches for me, because I like a good peach. And I'm going to move this chair. You're going to hear some scooting. Got some stevia sugar. I put this in my iced tea. A white cake mix. Needed that. Some taco shells for tacos. Some hot dog buns. A dozen eggs. A 10-pound bag of russet potatoes. A thing of barbecue sauce, which is right here. And let me go around the other side so you guys can see. 2 things of biscuits. We ate one of these with our beef sticks, and it's the pepper jack cheese, the Friendly Farms. Really, really good cheese. It is really good. 2 things of the Mexican style cheese, the shredded. 1, 2, 3, 4 things of mushrooms, because I like my mushrooms. 1 thing of imperial butter, and this is just a stick butter, the margarine. A thing of mayonnaise. Con queso dip. Ronnie likes that. I don't care for it, but he likes it. This is just part of my vegetables that I bought. 2 things of the, let me see if I can get it turned around here. Are you sneezing?
Oh, yeah.
The tomato and basil spaghetti sauce. This is their organic. I got 2 of them. I got a thing of green peppers right there. A family pack of pork chops. This is the thin sliced. Also a family pack of ground beef. Got 2 of these bottled iced coffees. Also a thing of Concord grape jelly. A thing of dill pickles. We ate an entire thing of dill pickles this week. 2 things of pretzels to fill up my container. Ronnie loves to eat pretzels. And a thing of Gatorade. And I drank a Diet Coke that I had bought. So that is all of my purchases.
Actually, we shared it.
We shared. That's right. We shared. And that
If
is...
I can kiss her, I can drink after.
Well, it was all they had, honey. Anyhow, we're going to put this stuff away. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my haul. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And I'd love to have you along with me for all of my videos and just to be my friend and give me advice, and I share what I know, and that's what this is, a uplifting, positive channel. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching Heidi's Home. Have a great week, and I will be talking to you all again soon. Be sure to comment, give a thumbs up, and thanks again. Bye.